Why borders change but human nature? Doesn't borders have changed for thousands of years? Empires rise, kingdoms fall, nations are created, maps are redrawn. But while borders change, human nature stays surprisingly consistent. Power attracts ambition. Fear creates conflict. Greed fuels division, and pride often blocks wisdom. That is why history feels familiar, even when it happened centuries ago. People may use different flags, different languages, and different laws, but the motivations behind major events often remain the same. History is not only about dates and wars, it is about choices, and human choices follow patterns. When societies work together, they grow stronger. When they become divided, they become vulnerable. Understanding the past helps us recognize that the world changes, but the forces that shape it are often the same. Because history doesn't repeat events exactly, it repeats behavior.